Hey everybody, Kyle here with Bigger Chrome Shop, bringing another product spotlight. Today we're going to be talking about our new headlighting section. So as you can see right to my left here, we have our universal light. So we've got our 4x6 rectangulars, we've got our 5x7s, our rounds. We also have the all-in-ones here. So winter is coming up, so we also have the heated lens available. So you flick these on in the morning, at night, whenever, melts all the ice and the snow off, saves you a bunch of time, and you can see a lot better. Pretty safe, and it's pretty cost effective. So right here we have our bezels. As you can see, we got them with the LED strips. We even have them in dual revolution. You can get the amber to blues. So they're available for the 4x6 duals. We have the 5x7s. We have the rounds, as well as we do sell visors too if you want to put those on. So last but not least here, we have our truck specific light. So we have our Peterbilt, our 379, 389, 579, our Kenworth lights, our T800s, T660s, and then we also have our Volvos, mainly the V&Ls, and then we have our Freightliner lights down bottom here. So if you want to check any of these products out, or if you're looking for something that you don't see here, go ahead and check out our website at bigredchromeshop.com. And don't forget to follow our Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram. Thank you.